Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Neverness to Everness game stuck on updating or it's saying download failed error. So if also you are into the same situation, then follow the methods discussed in this video. So what you need to do is the very first thing what you have to do is to pause the update and retry it once. So if you are updating your game and if you stuck on updating or it says download failed, then you have to pause the update and after that retry it once again to update the game. If this doesn't resolve the problem, you are suggested to restart your phone once. So for that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So this will restart your phone. Once your phone restarts, now try to update the game and check if it's working or not. Next is you have to make sure that updating the current client version. So make sure you are not updating any other version of the game. Make sure you are updating the Neverness to Everness game, and after that check if the error is resolved or not. Next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using mobile data, then go to Wi-Fi or do vice versa, and after that check if the game is updating or not. Next is to check storage space. For that, go to settings, go below, and here you have to click on RAM and storage option, and here you will find if there is less space or so. If yes, then you have to delete some images or videos or audios or any other data, and after that try to update your game and check whether the game is updating or not. But if the issue still continues again and again, then you are suggested you have to reinstall the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on delete icon, click on uninstall. After this, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, here you have to search for the game, and after searching for the game you have to click on install option. Once you install it, then try to launch the game and then check if the same error is occurring or the issue is resolved. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.